If you're looking for houseplants that not only clean the air, but are also safe for your furry friends, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore some air-purifying plants that are non-toxic to cats, so you can have a green home and happy pets. Let's get started. A bamboo palm is a fantastic plant for improving indoor air quality. Happy to grow in indirect light, this plant removes harmful chemicals like benzene, formaldehyde, and toluene from the air. Also known as the reed palm, it's not just beautiful and tall, but it's completely safe for your cats too. The Boston fern is perfect for indoors with its adorable green fronds. It's compact and one of the best plants for removing pollutants from your home's air. Plus, it's safe for cats, so no need to worry about your kitty nibbling on this one. The spider plant is another popular choice, especially for purifying formaldehyde and xylene from the air. Its cascading leaves make it an attractive addition to any room, and it's completely safe for both cats and dogs. It's even great for kids' rooms. Gerbera daisies not only brighten up any room with their colorful blooms, but they also help in cleaning the air. They come in a range of cheerful colors like red, yellow, and orange, and they're non-toxic to cats, so feel free to bring these beauties home. The Areca palm is a low-maintenance, tall houseplant that's perfect for offices and homes. Its smooth green fronds arching downwards help eliminate toxins like xylene, toluene, and formaldehyde from the air. And the best part? It's safe for your cats to be around. The money tree not only brings good luck and fortune, but also removes harmful pollutants from your home's air. This plant thrives indoors in warm, humid conditions in indirect sunlight. And yes, it's non-toxic to cats, so you can grow it with peace of mind. Moth orchids are absolutely stunning with their vibrant flowers, and they're effective in absorbing xylene and toluene from the air. Plus, they're safe for your furry friend, making them a perfect pet-friendly plant for your indoor garden. The dwarf date palm, also known as the pygmy date palm, helps purify indoor air by removing formaldehyde and toluene. It's a slow-growing plant, great for smaller spaces, and it even produces edible fruit. Best of all, it's non-toxic to your cat. Also called the Kimberley fern, the Australian sword fern is perfect for hanging baskets and purifying indoor air. It removes pollutants like formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene, while being completely safe for your cats. It's a win-win. The rubber plant is a classic houseplant with lustrous dark green foliage. Besides looking great indoors, it helps filter harmful VOCs from the air, making your home a healthier place. And yes, it's safe for cats, so no need to worry if they take a nibble. Dendrobium orchids not only elevate your indoor aesthetic, but are also excellent at removing toxins like xylene and toluene from the air. These elegant plants are safe for cats and dogs, so you can enjoy their beauty without any concerns for your pets. And there you have it, air-purifying plants that are safe for your cats. With these plants, you can breathe easier knowing your home is free from harmful toxins and your pets are safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant tips.